Bloody things are back again, though. They're everywhere. I don't like it. I don't like it. Jesus. What am I going to do with it? It's like wet. Oh dear. Ah well. I wonder if I'm Johnny Queer. I wonder if that'd go any better in here. It being so wet and stuffy and horrible. So there again. I should imagine I'd still be over there. On the first run. We're Oscar now. Big time. Even remember to turn the plough over this time. I'm getting good at this farming, I am. Thing is, with them Johnny Queers, whatever job they do, they don't do it right. Do you want me to show you? Come on, I'll show you what I mean. You see on here, there's a row of sugar beets. Look at this. No wonder us farmers can't make any money. That's disgusting. So, you see what I mean about them Johnny Queers?